Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'll just get larded up because we're finally doing the last tennis razor. As you can see, I've got about a week's growth here. Let's see, I've tested the last blade. It's been quite a jolly nice set to restore. I like these 7-day sets. So, there we go, larded up now. So just to recap, it's a set of 7 vintage razors made by Tennis of Solingen. There we go. So we're on Sunday today. I don't think this case is going to improve much on this. I've tried using various oils and things and it's still stiff, so I don't think it's really going to improve. So this is Sunday. If you can see the words on there. But just like the others, it's cleaned up really nice. The pivot, as you can see, is quite stiff. And you got the Tennis logo razor logo design there. So it glides through your whiskers, no problem. This Brexit affair has really messed things up in the UK. I was speaking to an auctioneer last week in England and they admitted their sales have gone down dramatically. And I also mentioned that over the last few years, auctioneers' fees have gone from like 12% to 15 to 30 up to a 20 and now it's at a staggering 30%. And Royal Mail prices have gone through the roof as well. And the Slovenian customs have tightened up their regime as well. So I think this will probably be one of my last videos. I shan't be buying from England again until things improve. And the reason is, my last acquisition was a £300 vintage camera. And by the time I paid the 30% plus VAT of the auctioneer's fees, that camera, my 300 camera, had now become £462. And then on top of that, you got postal costs, which have gone through the roof. They at one time would have been about £15, something like that. You're now looking at 70 to 80. So you're knocking on the door on another 100. So that camera, £300 camera, has now become, you know, virtually £550. And then, on top of that, you've got the customs, duties, fees, taxes. When it arrives in Slovenia. So that £300 camera has cost me around £700. And if I was to sell it, that would be my profit margin gone. So unless things change for the better, I won't be buying from England again. Unless it's something really special. Which is a bit disappointing really, because I established quite some good relations with auction houses in England, but I'll just focus on Europe, Germany and wherever. I've had to stop trading in America as well. I used to buy from auction houses in America. That's got way too expensive as well, so I've had to ditch that. So, very disappointing. I mean, even the auction houses themselves are complaining, you know, that this Brexit has really messed things up. Their sales have disappeared, or at least gone down substantially, which means they'll probably put the fees up to 50% to make more money. And if that happens, I think even the people in the UK will stop buying, you know. Anyway, it's a quick shave test for today. That's the last one, Sundays. So it's a lovely, it's a very delicate little set, but very sturdy, you know, good shavers. No, all 7 razors equal, you know. So, there we go. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll catch up with you sometime in the future, but it won't be for a while yet. Thank you, bye.